I was about 10, I think, when my family moved from Chicago to really rural Indiana, so rural that you couldn't see another house from our house. So here was this city girl who'd grown up till age 10 in the near north side of Chicago in the city, suddenly out with horses and trees and hay and all, barns and all that kind of stuff. My stepfather was a corporate attorney, but he wanted us to live in the country for some reason. But that's really where my love of reading started. My sister and I used to ride our ponies to the library in Zionsville, Indiana, and we would fill up the saddlebags with books and then read up in the hayloft of the barn behind our house. And that's where I really fell in love with storytelling. I really fell in love with, well, first Nancy Drew, as all of us mystery writers do, but then Sherlock Holmes. I was in that hayloft for a month, reading every single Sherlock Holmes short story and novella. And I remember thinking about clues and thinking about character and thinking about how I was surprised in these stories and how clever Conan Doyle was with laying the trap for us and then having Sherlock be able to solve the crime. And I always tried to solve the crime before Sherlock did, which of course was impossible. But I learned about the music of those stories. I learned about how those stories were written with a rhythm and a flow and a feeling and a cadence, and how beautiful that was.